Okay, so let's continue. So after solving the first part of the solving is including the spouse, then we need to solve again the case by excluding the spouse, meaning isosolve natin siya in part 2. Okay, sana ba yun? In part 2 solving na hindi nakasama si wife, no? So only the mother and the veteran sister. So here, the same shares. So the ROP will be 6. 6 divided by 6 times 1 is 1. And 6 divided by 3 times 1 is 2. So 1 plus 2 is equals to 3 all over 6. So again, magra-rad tayo dahil nga merong natira na 3. So ang ating ROPR will become 3. No? So just copy the total number of portions and then copy the portions for each sharer. So 3 all over 3. Now, kung mapapansin ninyo, yung 3 dito na residue natin at saka yung 3 dito na ROPR natin ay magkapareho. So anong sabi ng rule? Compare the final ROPR of solution B and the residue of solution A. If equal, then adapt the corresponding share in solution B. So, yun nga. I-compare natin itong ating ROPR, ito, which is 3, at saka itong ating residue, which is 3. So, pag equal daw, pag pareho ang makikita natin dyan, is i-adapt daw natin itong portions na nandito sa baba, which is 1 for mother and 2 for veteran sisters. That's why, naglagay tayo dito ng 1 and 2 because we adapted the shares or the solution in the solution B. Okay? So, ganyan yan siya. Now, another example here is si wife, 2 daughters, and mother. So, their shares are 1/8, 2/3, and 1/6. So, for our ROP, that is 24 divided by 8 times 1 is equals to 3 for the wife. And then 16 for the 2 daughters and 4 for the mother. So, pag i-add natin yan, 16 plus 4, 20 plus 6, 23 all over 24. So, again, walang residuary dyan. So, ibig sabihin, this doctrine of Radd. So, ang ating ROPR ay magiging 8, no? Because siya yung ating sharer. Okay? Pagkapihin natin yung yung divisor ng ating sharer. So, 8 yan siya, no? So, 8 divided by 8, okay, equals 1 times 1 is equals to 1. So, i-minus natin yung 1 from 8, that is 7. Meaning yung 7, dyan maghati-hati itong 2 daughters and the mother. So, isosolve natin siya sa solution B by excluding the spouse. So, tatanggalin natin si wife. Disregard nyo muna yung Joseph, pati yung ating corrected ROPR. Okay? So, dito, excluded na si spouse. Okay? So, 2 daughters and mother. So, their shares the same. ROP is 6. And 6 divided by 3 times 2 is 4. And 6 divided by 6 times 1 is equals to 1. So, 4 plus 1 is equals to 5 all over 6. So, just copy. Dahil Radd na naman siya. Copy. ROPR is 5. And then copy their share. 4 plus 1 is equals to 5 all over 5. Now, kanina, compared doon sa unang example natin, kanina magkapareho yung ROPR niya at saka yung residue. Okay? But in this case, magkaiba, no? Magkaiba ang ROPR at saka yung ating residue. So, anong sabi ng rule? ROPR of solution A times ROPR of solution B is equals to the corrected ROPR. Okay? Meaning, dahil magkaiba sila, so gagamit tayo ng corrected ROPR. So, paano natin makahanap yung ating corrected ROPR? I-multiply natin yung ROPR sa solution A at saka ROPR sa solution B, which is 8 times 5. So, the same din, kung gagamit, or pwede rin naman na gagamit tayo ng Joseph, no? So, ang ating magiging Joseph is itong 5 sa baba. Okay, ayan, kaya nga may Joseph tayo dyan. So, 8 times 5 is equals to 40. So, ganun din, dahil nag-Judas Ham dito ng 5, so i-multiply lang natin yung share ni wife ng 5. So 1 times 5 is equals to 5. Now, itong shares ng 2 daughters and mother, we don't have to multiply this in our Judas Ham, no? Kasi nga, Radd sa kanin, no? So, ang gagawin natin, we will just adapt the portions na nandito sa baba. Just like what we did kanina, no? So, kukapihin natin 4 kay 2 daughters at saka 1 kay mother. Again, saan nanggaling yung 4 and 1? Dito po siya nanggaling sa solution B. So, i-multiply natin 7 times 4 is equals to 28. And then 7 times 1. Ma'am, saan galing yung 7 times 1? Ito, oh. Okay, isang number ko na lang siya nilagay. Kasi pag maglagay tayo dito ng 7, magiging 15 na siya, di ba? So, 7 times 1 is equals to 7. So, pag i-add mo yan, 5 plus 28 plus 7 is equals to 40 all over 40. So, ganun lang siya kadali, no? Medyo komplikado lang ito sa part ng Radd. Pero so far, madali lang naman din siya. Basta masundan nyo lang yung steps niya at saka yung reading. Now, let us have last example. Tapos, meron na siyang involved na pera. Okay? Ito. Dito tayo kasi may involved siya na pera para ma-apply natin yung mga learnings na. So, the case is, Abdul maintained 3 wives, namely Asha, Salima, and Salma for more than a decade. He begot 4 daughters with Salima and 1 daughter with Salma, meaning 5 yung daughters niya. He was diagnosed with an incurable illness. While he was in state of death, illness, or maradul maut, he divorced Salima and Salma. So 6 months thereafter, he died of his terminal illness. Okay, so he left a net estate value of 240,000. So as a Sharia counselor, how will you distribute the estate of Abdul pursuant to the Islamic law on succession? Support your answer with legal basis. So, dito, intindihin muna natin yung case, no? So si Abdul, meron siyang 3 wives at meron siyang 5 daughters. Okay? Ngayon, ang sabi dito is, dinivorce niya yung kanyang mga asawa, yung si Salima at saka si Salma lang pala, no? Dinivorce yung dalawang asawa niya during the time of his maradul maut. Okay? Now, if we will go to the policy on the divorce, okay, under the personal law of the Philippines, hindi siya ma-counted as valid divorce pag saka mag-divorce ka is nasa state of death, illness ka, or maradul maut, no? Meaning, yung pag-divorce niya kay Salima and Salma is void, no? Void in nature, meaning hindi siya valid. Meaning, asawa pa rin niya itong si Salima at saka si Salma. Okay? So, yan. So, dito tayo, i-compute natin. So, ilan ng wives niya? We have 3 wives. Okay? Ashia, Salima, and Salma. Okay? And 4 daughters of Salima and 1 daughter of Salma. Okay? So, ilan ang share ng 3 wives? 1/8. Ilan ang share ng 5 daughters? 2/3. No? So, meaning meron tayong isang spouse at isang group of sharer. Okay? Sige. So, ang ating ROP is 24. Okay? 24 divided by 8 times 1 is 3. And 24 divided by 3 times 2 is equals to 16. So 3 plus 16 is equals to 19 all over 24. So ngayon, mag-ROPR tayo using the divisor of the sharer. Okay? Na si spouse. Okay? Si wife. So just copy 8. Okay? So 8 divided by 8 times 1 is equals to 1. Now, ima-minus natin 8 minus 1 is equals to 7. Ayan. So, in this case, okay, kailangan natin i-multiply. Okay? Pero wait lang. Balikan muna natin. Itong 1 na nandito, class, is hindi siya divisible sa 3 wives. Okay? Hindi siya divisible sa 3 wives. Okay? Tapos itong 7, okay? Yung 7 na nandyan is hindi rin siya divisible sa 5 daughters. Okay? So, anong gagawin natin? Mag-juz as seham tayo. Okay? Gagamit tayo ng juz as seham. So, that's why ang juz as seham natin dito is 3 times 5. Bakit? Kasi parehong problema yung number of heads ng wife at saka number of heads ng mga daughters natin. Okay? So, 3 times 5 is equals to 15 as our juz as seham. So, i-multiply lang natin 1 times 15 is equals to 15. And then, yung natirang 7, 7 times 15 is equals to 105. Okay? So, ngayon, kung subukan natin siyang i-divide, okay? Ito class, hindi na pala natin kailangang mag-solution B kasi isang group of sharer lang man siya. Diba? Automatic na mapupunta lahat yung residue doon sa isang group of sharer. Magso-solution B lang tayo if 2 or more group of sharer ang kasama ni spouse. No? So in this case is no need for solution B because mag-isa lang yung group of sharer na nandiyan. Now, titingnan natin, is 15 divisible by 3? Pwede, no? Kasi 15 divided by 3 wives is equals to 5. 105, is it divisible by 4? So 105 divided by 5 is equals to 21. So meaning, divisible sila. Okay? Now, paano natin makukuha yung net shares nila? Okay? So, meaning, 8 times 15 pa pala. 8 times 15, diba, i-multiply natin ito sa ating juz seham para magkaroon tayo ng corrected ROPR, which is 120. Okay? So, meaning, dahil 15 ang share ng 3 wives divided by 3, ilalagay natin dito tag 5 na share nila. Tapos, okay, yung 5 daughters divided by 105 divided by 5 is equals to 21. So, ilagay natin dito sa anak ni Salma is 21 kasi mag-isa lang. Tapos, 21 times 4 is equals to 84 kasi nga 4 sila. Now, saan natin nakuha yung 2,000? Paano natin yan siya na-come up? Okay? Ang sabi niya dito, he left a net estate value of 240,000. So, paano ba tayo mag-compute ng pera class? So, madali lang yan siya masyado. Get the net estate, which is 240,000, and then use your CROPR. Take note, ang gagamitin natin na divisor dito in getting the amount na i-multiply natin dito sa mga shares ng ating sharers is yung pinaka-last na ROP na ginamit natin. So if it is corrected ROP or ROPR or IROP, basta yun ang pinakahuling ginamit natin, doon natin siya i-multiply. No? So in this case, we have 24 and then we also have 8 and then we also have 120. So ang pinakahuling na gamit natin is 120. That's why nag-divide tayo dito. 240,000 divided by 120 is equals to 2,000. Meaning, per portion is equivalent to 2,000 pesos. So yung result niyan is i-multiply natin dito sa mga portions nila. No? So kaya nga may mga times 2 tayo nakikita dito. Okay? So ngayon, ang magiging share ni Ashia, 5 times 2,000 is 10,000. The same with Salima and Salma. Tapos yung 4 daughters ni Salima, 84 times 2,000 is equals to 168,000. Okay? So pag i-divide mo yung 168,000 divided by 4 sa kanilang magkakapatid, so 42,000 yung kanyang makukuha, each of the daughter of Salima. And for the one daughter of Salma, 21 times 2,000 is equals to 42,000. So syempre, we always need to add, no, para ma-check natin kung yung sagot ba natin ay tama. So i-add natin 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 84 plus 21 is equals to 120. Also this amount, 10,000 plus 10,000 plus 10,000 plus 168,000 plus 42,000 is equals to 240,000. 40,000. So pag mag-equal yan siya, meaning your computation is correct. Okay? So I think ito na ang ating last na discussion, no? Although we still have mga special cases, but I will no longer include that in our exam. But inshallah, if I still have enough time, I will try to upload videos para at least kahit tapos na yung semester, kahit tapos na yung klase natin, ma-learn pa rin ninyo kung paano naman yung sa mga special cases. Okay? So that's all. Thank you very much for watching this video. Good luck sa ating exam. Subhanaka Allahumma bihamdik. Nashhadu an la ilaha illa ant. Nastaghfiruka wa natubu